59 पे ही आ गए देखिए।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
तो आपको छुट्टी लेनी पड़ती।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, beta. How are you all?
Ma'am, good.
Good. Class 10C, all good?
Yes, ma'am.
10th is less today. That's why I
Yes,
was
ma'am.
wondering. Yes. Beta, we'll be doing a little different thing today. Though you have done this in class 10th, analytical paragraph writing. No, sorry, maybe in 9th. Let me show you this. Let me admit the students.
Earlier also in 10th also.
Yes, ma'am. And 10th also we have.
We have done 3 analytical paragraphs.
Yes, beta, analytical paragraph basically. Yes. You have a pie chart on your screens. All you need to do is analyze this pie chart. Analyze, you get my point what I'm saying. You have to look at it from every angle. Yes, bache. Give
Good
all
afternoon,
the
ma'am.
good afternoon to all. Give all the details one by one, and then move on to comparison. Comparison between 2, 3. Finally, move on to the conclusion. This is the best way to write analytical paragraph. Like we'll describe individually. First, we'll decide that what exactly is being shown in this pie chart. Okay. And then we'll take up. See, let me show you this. Yes, here it's more clear for you. See, you have to just tell me what does this pie chart show you. And after that, Individually, you'll take up each of them. After individual description, take up comparisons. And after comparisons, move on to conclusions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, actually, I've joined just now. Could you tell what we have to do?
No issues. We'll be revising analytical paragraph writing. If you can see on your screen, you have a pie chart shared over here. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You have to write an analytical paragraph. When I say analytical paragraph, beta, understand one thing first. Tell what does this figure tell you. Move on one by one to describing each component. Third should be comparisons. And the fourth should be conclusion with maxima and minima. As of now, you just see what it shows you. Let me discuss first with you. Writing part will take up a little later in the class. As of now, just see the figure and let's discuss what it is.
Ma'am, we have already done this flowchart.
And this one we have done.
Yes, never mind.
Yes, ma'am. This one we have done already.
Actually, we don't get many of these figures, beta, as of now, because this was introduced last year only. So few books and few sample papers only have this. Main purpose is just a revision. That is it. Have you observed the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now on the basis, see, let's read this very quickly. Read beta, this is related to the pie chart. Read quickly.
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Yes, beta,
Yes,
just a
ma'am.
Yes, dear, read this paragraph also. Read this paragraph also quickly.
And kindly scroll.
Beta,
Yes,
let's
ma'am,
wait
right.
for others. Let's wait for others also. Everybody does not have the same pace, no?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, anyone who wants me to wait,
Ma'am, done.
tell me,
Ma'am,
children,
done.
is it done or everybody is done?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, fine, I'm going down. Since you've already seen the pie chart, you've already got an idea what it is. Read quickly. One thing good about NC is that they're always interested. Whatever thing comes up, if people are good enough, you want to do at least.
what is symposia?
Beta, you know about seminars and all? Hmm? Children, you know what is seminar?
Yes,
Have you ever
ma'am.
have you ever attended any seminar or seen
Yes,
any?
ma'am.
I'm recently NCC.
Acha, you did attend a seminar in NCC. Okay,
Ma'am, recently the school gave us the opportunity of NCC seminar.
Online.
Yes,
No online.
very good. So whenever there is a meeting or there is a discussion or there is a conference actually, and discussion is done on a particular subject. Okay, this is what we call as in symposium. People meet, discuss something. Okay, like if I say, okay, let us discuss today on Taliban issue. So we have a topic of discussion and we'll all put forward our points. We'll read our papers. Normally what happens is we'll come ready. The participants, they come ready with their papers. Okay, and nobody wastes time. It's not a debate. Everybody comes ready with their opinions. They are called papers and they read it out. And then normally we have a questionnaire round if somebody wants to ask something. Symposium.
I'm read.
Hurry up, others.
I'm done.
I'm read.
Okay, beta, let's see. Let's wait for a minute for others.
Ma'am, read.
Is there anyone who wants me to wait? No?
No,
Sure?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
That means everybody is done. Okay. This chart you've already seen. Please write your answers. Options. Start, please. First question, select your option. Whichever you feel is the correct answer. I'll keep scrolling down. You
Where
have the...
to-
Yes, beta. Just write the options, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. You have the pie chart in front of you, and if you want to see something, I can show it to you. Take a rough idea or a screenshot of the pie chart so that you can answer the questions later also. Do the first one. Should we go down, children?
Ma'am, just a second.
Yes.
Okay, we'll give you another minute or two.
I'm done.
Finish, others.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Okay. Up scroll.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please explain me the fifth one?
I'm not getting, Nana. What are you saying? Just say again.
Ma'am, I wanted you to explain me the E part.
Sorry, dear. Take it as a comprehension. No help will be given in the beginning. You have to make your own guesses. You will not get any help from the teacher. Later, I'll discuss.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to get the question what it's trying to say.
Try, guess. Many times you'll come across comprehension.
Ma'am, we have to write this in fair notebooks.
You can do anywhere, beta. Just the options have to be written. You can write on a piece of paper as well.
I'm done.
Very quick.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, please.
Waiting, beta, waiting.
Ma'am, done.
Is there anyone who wants me to wait or should I go down, beta? Many people permanently mute mode. Huh? No replies only. Yes, no, nothing.
Ma'am, you can go.
I've already gone down now. See.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is all retention power also. Let's see how much you can recall what you saw, what you read.
Can you please scroll?
Beta, we'll wait for others as
Ma'am,
well.
please wait.
Yes, yeah, I know we'll wait. I know the speed is not possible.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Yes, children. I'll just go down a little so that those who are not done also are okay with it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the H part, they are asking for the main reasons. So can we choose multiple options?
See, they've given you another last option, all of the above. If you feel all of these are correct, if you want to go for multiple options, then take the last option as correct, beta. All the above.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
Is there anyone who wants me to wait? I'll do it like this. Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, beta, I'm waiting.
I'm done.
Yes, dear.
क्या आपको रीड मैंने फोटो खींची थी इसकी और तुमने वो डिलीट कर दी बड़ी जल्दी.
Done, beta. Okay, I think it is high time. We should go down now. We are about to finish. About to finish and then answers.
Ma'am, please
Can you
scroll
please scroll
down.
it down?
Okay, beta.
Can you please scroll it up, ma'am, once?
Up or down, beta?
Ma'am, up. Ma'am.
Just a
Just for
second.
a second.
Is it okay till here? I
Yes, ma'am.
scrolled. Okay. Yes, dear. Now the last one. Hurry up.
Can you show the fourth option?
Yes, but
Ma'am, K is the last.
yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, dear. What about others? How much time more?
Done. Done.
Ma'am, done.
Is there anyone who wants me to wait? Nobody wants me to wait now? That means I assume that you have done. So let's discuss. What do you think is the first answer?
Ma'am, option fourth, both second and third.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, option 4, both second and third.
option 4.
Yes. Perfect. Option 4, both second and third. Okay, dear. Chalo, bacha. Tell me the B1.
Second.
Ma'am, option two, recycling of goods.
Option 2, recycling of goods.
Very good. This is also correct. Recycling of goods. Now the C1.
Second.
Ma'am, option
Branches
third.
and sharp shelters.
Ma'am, option 2nd, branches and word.
Sorry,
we
ma'am,
have
option second.
confusion. Now it's okay. Yes, it is second only, beta. Hai na? I thought some people are saying third. Okay, the D1.
Ma'am, paper
Ma'am,
waste.
option 2nd,
Paper waste.
paper waste.
Very good. It is paper waste. D1 now.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
none of
two,
the above.
confidential documents and plastic or metal or glass.
Option 2, confidential documents.
Any
plastic.
other answer? Any other difference in opinion here? Nobody?
None of the above.
Whether this is correct. Confidential documents in plastic or metal or glass. Yes, Bache, F1 now.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, option 2, the amount and degree of recycled waste.
Okay, why did you tell the fourth one, beta? Tell me. What made you think for this as the option? Share it with us. See, beta, if you see in the pie chart, they're just telling you the amount of recycled waste, the degree, how much is the recycled waste and what is the recycled waste. They have not shown the increasing trends of
Yes, ma'am.
recycling
This is
management.
second only. By mistake, I told you.
Ma'am.
Very good, very good. Good children. What about G1?
Ma'am, 3rd.
Ma'am, option 3, both first and second.
Yes, beta,
option.
third. Correct. First and second, very good. H1?
All of the above.
Ma'am, all the above.
All of the above.
Everybody agrees to all of the above? Fine. What is I1?
Ma'am, option 1, miscellaneous
Ma'am,
goods.
Option 1,
A.
miscellaneous goods.
Very good. Miscellaneous goods. Now this one, J1.
Ma'am, 9
Ma'am,
convention.
first, 9th
Ma'am,
convention.
option first, 9th convention.
Yes, beta, very good. Ninth convention. The last one, K1.
Ma'am, option 4th.
Ma'am, 4th.
Option 4, implementing steps framed in solar panel.
Framed and deployed in convention. Okay. If this question was asked the other way around, only if this pie chart would have been given and you were told to write a paragraph, tell me how will you introduce the paragraph orally. Now, please do not write. How will you introduce this paragraph? Come on, children, speak.
Ma'am,
Yes, start.
Following paragraph, the given pie chart shows the amount of waste recycled in 2018.
Anyone else? Good.
Ma'am, the given flowchart provides information about the total recycling done in 2018.
Fine, perfect.
On the given pie chart shows that the total recycling in the year 2018.
Very good. I hope everybody is clear. 3 of your friends have already spoken. Now the detailed paragraph. Come on, plan and speak. Don't write. We still have 5 minutes for the class to get over. Speak, beta. One of you.
May I speak?
Start.
From the given pie chart, it is clear that the maximum contribution was the paper waste and the minimum contribution was of furniture and hazardous waste. There is a steady rise in the recycling of paper waste, which is 39%. Also, there is a gradual decline in the percentage of recycling of furniture, which is 1%, while there is a sharp increase in the percentage of recycling of confidential documents, which is 24%. The percentage of recycling of used electronics and miscellaneous is same as 3%.
Good. See, this child has used the words which I had discussed with you last year, keywords. Sharp increase, steady rise, steady fall. Some words you could have used better because they were not reflecting the exact picture. Okay. Yes, you were saying something, beta.
Ma'am, as this is a pie chart, so I don't think that we could use the words like steep rise or sharp decline.
What he's trying to say is, that is what I'm saying, he's trying to compare the percentages better. And we don't have the difference in the same thing. See, when you compare the percentage also, supposing I was talking about plastic waste. And when I compare the plastic waste figure with the another plastic waste figure, then we can use this word, steep rise or sharp rise. Here, beta, what is? Here, what we have is all different things are there, beta. So here you cannot actually compare them. Okay. But you could have said that we can see that this is more or this is less. Okay. You could have compared furniture and sharp shelters. That sharp shelters is 3% higher than furnitures. Similarly, you could have said miscellaneous is 1% less than the sharp shelters. Because here we are talking about different things, na? So we cannot say it is rising or it is declining. Who is ready next?
May I?
Okay, start.
It is clear from the given pie chart that the total waste recycled is maximum contributed by the paper waste, which is 39%, while confidential documents make 24% of the total recycled waste. The waste like plastic or metal or glass contribute to the total waste by 15%. Other waste like metal contribute 6%, branches and wood contribute 4%, used electronics 3%, furniture 1%, sharp shelter 4%, miscellaneous good 3%, and hazardous waste 1%. From these information, we could conclude that hazardous waste is the minimum kind of waste which is recycled, while paper waste being the maximum.
Okay, excellent, because we can see all of us that paper waste is 39% better. Followed by, tell me, followed by?
Confidential document.
Yes, confidential documents, which stands at around 24%. Very good, nice conclusion. Is there anything which is same? I think miscellaneous and used electronics, they're same?
Yes, ma'am.
We could have mentioned that these two are same. Excellent, well done. Yes, who is speaking next? Hurry up, hurry up. Aiza, you're not ready? Divansh, Jigyasa, Mohit, Puneet, Viresh, what happened? Viresh, what happened to you? You are always very active in the class.
Ma'am, actually, I don't remember those keywords which you told.